Hey guys, we're back at my channel. We're here with Nico. Say hi, Nico. And we're doing who can do the best house. So, yeah, see ya, Nico.
See ya.
Okay, where, is my house?
You have to leave your house.
And, guys, cause, Nico doesn't really have a good house. I'm doing the same house he has.
It's a real estate.
We should start right now. Okay, so, stuff. I have a lot of money, so, yes, good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that there.
Real estate, what's the stuff?
Okay, I'm gonna mute myself. Living room. Because this is gonna be a
Let's get some
really
good wallpaper.
sitting place.
This one is good. Like it's my taste. X. Which one is
So, should I do?
this one looks pretty.
Okay, so which color should I do? Should I? Yes, this is gonna be a pink place. For my unicorn, I have a unicorn and a dragon. That's, yeah, weird. I'm gonna get my unicorn out, because, yeah, it's my favorite animal. So what, I forgot, no, stuff. Go to stuff. What should, yes, so, this is, oh yeah, living room. We're in the living room. What? Living room. Living. So there are TVs. Which one should I? Ooh, this one is a lot of money. Should I do this one? Nah. I want to do the 20 one. That's really cool. And yeah. And there's gonna be a other one, cause it's okay.
Okay, this is
Unicorn can sit there and look at it. And yeah, this is gonna be a fun place. First, even I'm not done with this one. So yeah, so I know vegetable loves this tree, so I'm gonna plant this tree right there. I do a different pink. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna make a tree. So now I'm just trying to find the thing that I forgot where it is. Yeah. I think, oh, I pressed the wrong button. But I know it's in party, I think. Yeah, it's here. So it's a bouncy house. Bouncy house. Oops. Yeah, that. And there's more, right? Yep, good. There's more. turn. Oh, I got a lot. Now we can money right now. So, I really want this. Let me see how this look. Nah, I really want it. So, yeah, what else is there to make a nice lace? Is lights, no, I forgot. I pressed it. Yes.
So are you done?
No, I'm still not done. Sorry. Okay.
I'm almost done. Mine's gonna look good.
OMG. This is gonna be my house. For a little bit.
I'm almost done.
Okay. It's really nice, but and my uni is sleeping on this bed. The bathroom is alright. Now I have to make our kitchen. And the husband.
See, mine will be like the baddest. Okay, I'm done.
I'm still not done. I'm almost done.
So good.
I'm still not done. Sorry. I didn't let ring. You're still, if you're mad. Sorry. Because I'm still not done. Vegetables, yes, like sitting. Okay, now.
Oh, this is big. This is big. This is really, really big. This is big. This is big.
Sad. Nico.
Yeah.
You can come now. Okay. Okay, Nico, come fast. Okay. First, go to the entrance. Come here, Nico. Go here. Come. You go here and wait. Yeah, go out for a sec. I'm just gonna put one more thing. It should look pretty. Okay, come in. So this is my unicorn, and this is the place. And then you go here. And then you go here. And then you go up here. And you go to bed. You go here. Yeah, this is my place. So now let's look at your place. So this is Nico's house. Let's get in. Okay. Ooh, this is cool. What?
This is the generator.
Okay.
That charges electricity.
Really cool. Really cool. Really cool. Really cool. Oh, really cool. So who wins?
If I have a guess, I just send them away.
Nico, who wins? I think I win, Nico.
What do you get to do, huh?
Cause my mom told me.
That's
I win, okay?
no, that isn't fair.
Yeah, yes, it is.
Okay, in the comments.
Fine. Guys, comment down
Write in the
below.
comments.
Guys, comment down below. Who won?
Who had the best house?
I know you're gonna pick me, Sophia, so yay, thank you. Bye.